This is Roshini from the Department of Mathematics, Sacred Heart College, Perini. Today's topic is elementary number theory. For the elementary number theory, we need some of the basic definition. First definition is prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that cannot be formed by multiplying two numbers. That is, a prime number is a natural number greater than 1 which has no divisor except itself and unity. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 are prime numbers. Since 2 which is equal to 1 into 2, 3 which is equal to 1 into 3, 5 which is equal to 1 into 5, etc. goes on. Next definition is composite number. A composite number is a natural number greater than 1 that is not a prime. That is, a composite number is a natural number contains at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. Composite numbers are the numbers that are neither prime nor unity. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 are composite numbers. Since 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 8 is equal to 2 into 4, 9 is equal to 3 into 3, 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Next definition is prime to one another. Two numbers which have no common divisor other than 1 are said to be prime to one another. Example 4 and 5 which have a common divisor 1. Next 12 and 17 which have a common divisor only 1. 5 and 12 which have only one common divisor, that is 1. So 4 and 5, 12 and 17, 5 and 12 are prime to one another. Next definition is decomposition of a composite number as a product of primes. Every composite numbers can be written as a product of prime factors uniquely. That is, uniquely means only in one way. That is, n is equal to p power a, q power b, r power c, where p, q, r are prime numbers and a, b, c are integers. For example, find the number of divisors of 480. So 480 we can write as 2 power 5, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. That is p power a, q power b, r power c, where p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3, r is equal to 5, and a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. Therefore, we are going to find number of divisors, which is the formula a plus 1, b plus 1 into c plus 1. So it is equal to 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 24. Therefore, the number of divisors of 480 is 24. Next definition is highest power of a prime number p contained in n factorial. The highest power of p in n factorial is which is equal to n by p plus n by p square plus etc. n divided by p power k minus 1. Example, find the highest power of 7 is 1000 factorial. Here n is equal to 1000 factorial, p is equal to 7. Now 1000 divided by 7 which is equal to 142, then 1000 divided by 7 square which is equal to 142 divided by 7 which is equal to 20. 1000 divided by 7 cube which is equal to 20 divided by 7 equal to 2. The highest power of 7 in 1000 factorial is 142 plus 20 plus 2 which is equal to 164. That is 7 power 164 is the highest power of 7 in 1000 factorial. Next, criteria of a divisibility of a number by 3. Let n be a number. Let a, b, c, d be the digits in units, tens, hundreds place of n. Then n can be written as n is equal to a plus 10b plus 100c plus 1000d. For example, we can write the 105 in the form of 5 plus 10 into 0 plus 100 into 1. For the example 2, 1254 we can write as 4 is 4 plus 10 into 5 plus 100 into 2 plus 1000 into 1. Now 1 which is congruent to 1 mod 3, 10 which is congruent to 1 mod 3, 100 congruent to 1 mod 3, 1000 congruent to 1 mod 3. So n can be written as a into 1 mod 3 plus b into 1 mod 3 plus c into 1 mod 3 plus d into 1 mod 3, which is equal to a plus b plus c plus d into 1 mod 3. Therefore, n is divisible by 3 if and only if sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So 144 is divisible by 3 since 1 plus 4 plus 1 is divisible by 3. That is 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is 6, is divisible by 3. Similarly, a number n is divisible by 9 if and only if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. n is divisible by 11 if and only if a minus b plus c minus d is divisible by 11. For example, for third note, 121 is divisible by 11 since 1 minus 2 plus 1 is 0. 0 is divisible by 11.